Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how you can build completely automated money-making sites with fresh content added every day. And on top of that, you'll be able to monetize your newly built sites with affiliate products from Amazon and eBay. Okay, let's get to it. So we're inside of our brand new WordPress plugin WP Content Factory, and right in the dashboard you'll find links to support desk and training and tutorials, all that good stuff. The first thing you'll need to do is add integrations to popular content sources like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and other ones. The plugin works with 12 premium content sources in total. So we'll head over to integrations in the menu. And here you'll configure each platform that you wish to get content from. Just click on the blue button one by one, and it will open this box on the bottom where you'll need to enter your API keys. Each integration has a link here that you can click and read instructions for getting your API key. It's free to sign up for APIs, and we have instructions on how to register for each one in our members area. Signing up is easy. It's like creating an email account. You fill out a form, provide a few details about yourself and your site, and you should be good to go. It's all covered in the tutorials too, so getting past this should be a breeze. Alright, now that all the integrations are set up, you're ready to line up some content for your site. And the way this is done is through these channel watchers. Think of it as a content campaign. It's where you choose what kind of topics and niches to focus on. So let's say I want to have a gaming content on my site. I'll start with YouTube. Let's give this campaign a name. Now let's head over to YouTube to find suitable YouTube channels. This channel looks good, and to get YouTube channel's ID, just look at the address bar in your browser. It's this long string of random letters that comes after channel and slash. Just grab that and paste it right here. You can also narrow down even further by providing a keyword to filter content by. I'll just leave this blank for now. And lastly, you need to choose which category on your site this content should be posted to. I'm going with entertainment. Let's save this channel watcher. Wait a minute for it to process, and let's go see if any new posts were added. And you'll discover 10 new posts. Let's go ahead and check one. And it's looking pretty good. It's got a video, some comments, and if you refresh the actual site, you'll see a bunch of nice looking posts. And keep in mind that the plugin will automatically keep pulling new content every day, several times per day, as often as you wish. So this was just one example of using YouTube as your content source. There are 12 platforms built in, including Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and others. And they are all very easy to integrate. Now, once you mix and match all your content sources, your site becomes this huge content asset with fresh posts being added all the time. Google and other search engines will start sending you free traffic that you can monetize with affiliate products or banner ads. And the best part is that you can build as many of these sites as you wish. There are literally thousands of recession-proof niches that you can focus your site around. Things like entertainment, gaming. Now people are going to spend a lot of time watching videos and playing games. If you look at Google Trends from our previous recession in 2008, you'll see spikes in niches like simple pleasures, things like ice cream, cosmetics, do-it-yourself niches, hobbies. All these niches work great in times like these, and they are perfect for building sites, even though there's a lot of uncertainty right now. With WP Content Factory, you can get started with your own fully automated profitable site. So don't let this opportunity slip by. Get your download now and start building. Thank you for watching this short video demo. I hope to see you inside the members area. Stay safe out there.